This is a tutorial for an airwalk, so you should feel comfortable in a split grip already. So if you don't, go back and just try some V's like this and wait until you get strong in that and then come back to this video. You can either do this with pointed toes or flex feet. I personally enjoy the flex feet version better. I think it looks more effective, but if you're doing a nice pretty routine with pointed toes, then it can equally go into that. So we're just going to go up from a side climb. I'll talk you through it first. So if I take a side climb like this, it's the outside hand that comes down. So you don't want to take your inside leg too high up because you need space for that split grip. And you really want to make sure you pull them with the top arm and push them with the bottom arm. And it comes directly across your body onto the pole and you're pointing down. Okay? So I'll show you what it looks like and talk you through it as I do it. So find the side climb. Just going to do one climb up because that's all my height will allow. I'd advise you to do the same just while you're learning how to do it, and then you can take it up higher, which looks quite good. So into your side climb, pull up once, reach high with the inside arm, outside arm comes into a split grip, and then you take your lower body away from the pole. You can flex the feet or you can point the feet. And then come back on. You could take it into something else if you wanted, or you can come down. And that is the airwalk. Try with both flex feet and pointed feet, and then do it.